Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be unboxing another watch. This is a watch from DUFA. A disclaimer here, this watch is sent in to me by DUFA for review and I get to keep the watch after the review. I will also be featuring this watch on my Instagram, so do check my Instagram out if you're interested for more detailed pictures. So let's open up the package and see what is inside. Okay, here is the outer box of the watch. Let's open up. Alright, the box feels quite substantial. I think it is made from cardboard. Let's try to open up. Okay, here is the watch and it's wrapped in baking paper. So I will have to unwrap it. Alright, I've unwrapped the baking paper. Now there's some sticker left to peel off. Let me just try to do this. Okay, so here is the watch. Well, one thing that struck me is this is a quartz powered watch, but the second hand actually behaves like an mechanical watch. There's something very nice, a nice touch. Okay, let's get into some details of the watch. This piece here is the Weimar Möller Edition. I'm not sure if I pronounced that correctly. It's with the reference number DF-9026-01. It is powered by a so-called Japanese quartz. They didn't really specify what's the quartz version that they use, but it's very interesting. As I mentioned just now, the second hand actually it moves couple of ticks per second. I have not really counted that. And this is the case back of the watch with all the specifications engraved. DUFA, the model number, 3 atmosphere, made in Germany, all stainless steel. Yep. So DUFA, if you're not aware, it's another sub-brand under the Dartmouth group. Yep, somebody corrected me. It's supposed to be like Dartmouth and not what I mentioned as Dartmouth. Yeah, stupid me. So the name is actually an acronym for, well, I'm gonna butcher this again, Deutsche Uhrenfabrik. It's something like a watchmaker in Germany, if I'm not mistaken. This watch comes with a black leather strap. It is also a quick release black leather strap, and it's quite okay. And we have the DUFA shield or logo embossed on the back side of this leather, and it comes with quite a nice buckle with the DUFA shield on the buckle as well. It's highly polished, and I think the entire case is highly polished as well. And yep, the hang tag is still on. Yep, this is the name of the brand, and this is the model number. Alright, I guess that's it for this unboxing video. I suggest that you please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so that you don't miss out on the full review video coming out very soon. And you can also follow me on my Instagram at gfw_watch for more watch pictures. Till then, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.